Unity in diversity. Although different, but still one. Indonesia has a lot of culture. There are musical instruments, dances, languages, traditional customs, traditional houses, traditional weapons, ceremonies, and so on. Because of this diversity, every Indonesian society has its own characteristics. There are people who have hard character, gentle, open-minded, principled, and so on. But no matter who you are, Acehese people lead to keep tight relationships with you. Raisatul Gebrina, 20 years old, I proudly represent Aceh. I was born in a small town since 1998, surrounded by the ocean, trees, and clean air that make you feel so free to breathe. I'm the fifth child of 5 siblings. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I'm so grateful because I have family that always support me in every positive activities that I follow. Also my mother. My mother is the greatest woman in the world. Since my father passed away, she becomes very stronger person than before. And you know what? In my province, religious commitments come first. Assalamualaikum. Hi, this is me, Raisa. I'm studying medicine at Syekh Kuala University. I like to writing, reading, traveling, and also vlogging. That's make me feel so alive. And I like to challenge myself. So I like to try new things and try to keep growing. That's why I decide myself to be a very strong and independent woman. Putri Kebudayaan Aceh 2019. I have one advocacy which is very important to be noted. It's called Peayun Anu.
La ilaha illallah dengan pagah mohatema dengan laju dalam ayun pemanetren jarah hijau.
Peayun Ane merupakan budaya kearifan lokal masyarakat Aceh yang dipraktekkan oleh orang tua Aceh saat akan menidurkan buah hatinya di dalam ayunan. Bisa dikatakan budaya Peayun Ane ini merupakan sebuah konsep pendidikan dini dari masyarakat Aceh yang mendidik anaknya sejak dari dalam ayunan, bahkan sejak dari dalam kandungan. Mereka dinina bobokkan dengan syair-syair Islami yang menyangkut nilai ketauhidan, kepahlawanan, cinta tanah air, sikap dan perilaku mulia, serta adab terhadap orang tua, dengan harapan kelak ia dapat tumbuh menjadi sosok yang berkarakter Islami, berbudi luhur, tangguh, dan berbudaya. Sebagai generasi milenial Aceh, saya memiliki tanggung jawab untuk melestarikan budaya Peayun Ane ini agar terus membudaya di masyarakat Aceh dan agar dapat diadopsi oleh seluruh wilayah yang ada di Indonesia dan bahkan mancanegara. Jangan lupa gebrakan tagline Peayun Ane Go Public agar kita semua tahu dengan salah satu cara bagaimana membentuk generasi emas dimulai dari sejak dini. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.